The Fixturemate tool on Xometry Pro lets you quickly design custom fixtures and export them directly to your Xometry account. To get started, go to Xometry Pro, open Tools, and select Fixturemate. If you don't have a Xometry account yet, you'll need to create one. Once ready, launch Fixturemate and review a few quick tips before starting your design. When using Fixturemate, import your part and position it flat and near the surface. Next, add a base plate. Then select and create supports. Subtract the workpieces. Add clamps if needed. Set labels. You can also add holes, cutouts, or create a hollow fixture. Finally, export your fixture to your Xometry account to get an instant quote for 3D printing. Try Fixturemate now at Xometry Pro.